The Lord be with you.
And with your spirit.
Reading from the Holy Gospel according to Mark.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Herod was the one who had John the Baptist arrested and bound in prison on account of Herodias, the wife of his brother Philip, whom he had married. John has said to Herod, "It is not lawful for you to have your brother's wife." Herodias harbored a grudge against him and wanted to kill him, but was unable to do so. Herod feared John, knowing him to be a righteous and holy man, and kept him in custody. When he heard him speak, he was very much perplexed, yet he liked to listen to him. She had an opportunity one day when Herod, on his birthday, gave a banquet for his courtiers, his military officers, and the leading men of Galilee. Herodias' own daughter came in and performed a dance that delighted Herod and his guests. The king said to the girl, "Ask of me whatever you wish, and I will grant it to you." He even swore many things to her. "I will grant you whatever you ask of me, even to half of my kingdom." She went out and asked and said to her mother, "What shall I ask for?" She replied, "The head of John the Baptist." The girl hurried back to the king's presence and made her request. "I want you to give me at once, on a platter, the head of John the Baptist." The king was deeply distressed, but because of his oaths and the guest, he did not wish to break his word to her. So he promptly dispatched an executioner with orders to bring back his head. He went off and beheaded him in the prison. He brought in the head on a platter and gave it to the girl. The girl in turn gave it to her mother. When his disciples heard about this, they came and took his body and laid it in the tomb. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Ang pagpapakasakit po ni San Juan Bautista ay isang patunay na ang tao po talaga nag-i-struggle pagdating sa katotohanan. Ang tao din nag-i-struggle between pleasing God or pleasing men. Hanggang ngayon po siguro may mga karanasan tayo about this. Nagcha-challenge tayong magsabi ng totoo. Nagcha-challenge tayong isabuhay kung ano man ang totoo. At nagcha-challenge tayo na pumili, ano bang gagawin ko? Pakikisamahan ko ba ang Diyos? O pakikisamahan ko ang kapwa ko? Yung buhay po ni San Juan Bautista, isang paalala sa atin na kung meron man tayong ipi-please o gusto nating ma-win yung heart, hindi lang po yan ng mga taong malapit sa atin. Pag sumikapan nating hindi lamang maging people-pleasing, kung hindi higit sa lahat, to be God-pleasing. Sabi nga, maaaring dito sa mundo, kilala ka ng mga tao dahil people pleaser ka. to the point of compromising your faith and values over social media likes o approval ng mga tao sa paligid mo dahil may kailangan ka sa kanila. Maaring makilala ka sa ganun, pero ang tanong, kilala ka ba sa langit? Pangalawa, ang kwento ni San Juan Bautista, ang kanyang pagpapakasakit, ito'y paalala sa ating lahat on how do we handle truth. You know, my dear brothers and sisters, there is your opinion and there is truth. Mas madalas po kasi ngayon, ang tao, dahil nga, mas binabrowse pa ang social media kaysa yung nakikipag-usap sa totoong tao, basta sikat na personality, kahit opinion lang yan, it doesn't reflect truth. Or kung may truth man, konting-konti lang, pero twisted, ay basta sikat. Paniniwalaan. How do we handle truth? How do we search for truth? Paano ba natin hinahanap ang totoo? Paano ba natin pinangahawakan ng totoo? Do we even ask ourselves about that? Paano natin kinokonfront ang katotohanan? Siguro bilang mga depoto ng Manawag, yan ay patuloy na paanyaya sa atin ni Apo Bakit to come to the truth, to live the truth, to stand up for what is right. Kung meron man isang tao na nanindigan talaga para sa katotohanan, isinabuhay ang katotohanan hanggang sa huling sandali, despite of all the adversities, yan ay walang iba kundi ang mahal na ina. Remember, during Christ's passion, crucifixion, and even as Christ confronted his death, the mother stands at the foot of the cross. Does it mean na mali si Mary porque siya lang ang tumayo sa paanan ni Jesus? Hindi. My dear brothers and sisters, mulit-muli, taon-taon na latang natin sila celebrate itong pagpapakasakit ni Juan Bautista, pagkamartir ni Juan Bautista. Taon-taon itong paalala sa atin. Mag-exert tayo ng effort talaga. Humingi tayo ng grasya talaga. Na hindi tayo maging people pleaser, kundi maging God pleaser. Pangalawa, humingi din tayo ng lakas ng loob nang sa gayon ang katotohanang nasa harapan natin, ang katotohanang nagpapakita sa atin, ang katotohanang hinahanap-hanap natin, ang katotohanang nakatambad sa harapan natin, ay matuto nating panghawakan sa bawat desisyon natin sa araw-araw nating buhay. Huwag nawa nating talikuran, huwag nawa nating takbuhan, huwag nawa nating pugutan. Sa halip, isabuhay, panghawakan, mahalin. Nawa maging inspirasyon si San Juan Bautista sa bawat isa sa atin.